All right, so after doing a whole bunch of work, we had to re-tie up the Barbies. This thing had to be hanging for some reason, but her hand is loose, so she seems to be nice. It's the problems with the girls with the curls having issue with this, because sometimes the fan gets stuck. Fluffy, because she got a huge fluffy hair on both sides, so it's really hard. But I want the thing to see. Face had to be seeing from that side. Maybe I can hide this under the pipe, just so you know that's a radiator. 1, 2. From this is good. This is not the issue. It's just the thing is, this is the issue, bro. This is the problems. If you take a look, is her booty is touching it, and if I lift it up, it's gonna be, then her leg goes over here. Let's do it, right? So where is that? And let's see how that works. Okay, ready, guys? Let's do it. On 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow, definitely gonna be a little less thermal. Okay, just make sure her hair does not get stuck. Almost close, but this is really vivid. I'm just gonna close this, man. It's just her ass is really like confusing me right now. I'm really hoping it's gonna roll. On a PC, not everything gonna, it did roll. With that, okay, we did it, bro. We did it, guys. Over. Here it is, guys, as you see. Very nice. Everything just, I don't know how I come up with these ideas, man. I'm the first one build a Victoria's Secret Barbie PC. Good luck getting a case that can fit all of that, and just like it's like a little dollhouse, but it's a little dollhouse with the disco ball system. And look at the lighting. My god, I had this. Like, you're not gonna find somebody who's this much attention to detail. I had to put a grill. That grill did not come in. 1, 2, 3 grill. Then I ordered a wrong grill, just to make sure the girl's hair does not get stuck, like that, how detailed I was. I ordered one. I knew there's gonna be issue. Then I didn't know that this girl gonna go through the fan, hair getting stuck. And then the RAM, look at this, it's changing. Like right now there's a color inaccuracy issue, and this is another screen which is still not been programmed yet, but usually there will be a girl doing a runway hair. It's done, man. Look at this. This is so sick.